Hello students, I am Dr. Josna Gawas, Assistant Professor in Botany at Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sangili. Today, I will speak about botanical gardens. What are they? What is their function? And I will mention some of the botanical gardens of the world as well as India and two important botanical gardens I will explain of the world and of the country, that is India. Program Bachelor of Science, first years, subject Botany, semester 2, course code BOC 102, course title Biodiversity 2. Title of the unit, Identification, module name, Botanical Gardens of World and India. Outline, Botanical Garden, Importance of Botanical Gardens, Important Botanical Gardens of World and India. Learning outcome, one will be able to define a botanical garden, discuss the importance of botanical gardens, and list important botanical gardens of world and India. A botanical garden, also called as a botanic garden, is a place where different types of plants are grown and managed in a scientific manner. Botanical gardens are maintained by universities or scientific research institutes or government or non-governmental organization. According to International Association of Botanic Gardens, a botanical garden is a place which is open to the public in which the plants are named. Botanic Gardens Conservation International defines botanic gardens as institutions holding documented collection of living plants for the purpose of scientific research, conservation, display, and education. Botanic Gardens Conservation International sets a list of criteria that a garden should fulfill to be a botanical garden, either in whole or in part. Importance of botanical gardens. Botanical gardens are centers of ex situ conservation of plants belonging to all groups. They act as germplasm banks. Botanical gardens provide material for botanical research. They also provide aesthetic appeal. Plants in botanical garden can be used for on-site teaching. Botanical gardens do exchange seeds of plants available with them. Botanical gardens also have a herbarium and library which is accessible to people, and they provide public services in various techniques with respect to propagation of plants. These are some of the important botanical gardens of the world. Padua Botanical Garden, Italy. This garden was founded in 1545 as a center for growing medicinal plants. This garden is affiliated to University of Padua. It is one of the world's oldest academic botanical garden and covers an area of 4 hectares. It has both indigenous and exotic plants grown. It is listed as World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1997. The garden is circular in outline with a large square which is subdivided into 4 units by orthogonal paths oriented according to the main cardinal direction. This is the image of the garden wherein the outermost is the circular plot with a large square inside, and this large square is further divided into 4 smaller squares with paths inside. The circular central plot symbolizes the world, which is surrounded by a ring of water. It represents the ocean. This garden has different sections for insectivorous plants, medicinal and poisonous plants, plants from the Eugenian Hills and Triveneto region, threatened plants, orchids, aquatic plants, alpine plants, and Mediterranean plants. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew. Royal Botanic Garden was founded in 1759. It is a non-departmental public body sponsored by Department of Environment, Food, Rural Affairs. The garden has an area of 130 hectares and is the largest botanical garden in the world. International Botanical Research and Education Center are the main criteria. It is considered as one of the International Botanical Research Garden and Education Center, comprises of diverse plant and fungal collection, and World Heritage Site is UNESCO in 2003 considered Royal Botanic Garden as World Heritage Site. The centers of attraction in the garden are Arboretum, Rock Garden, Rhododendron Dale, Great Pagoda, Grass Garden, Carnivorous Plants, Palm House, Conservatory, Treetop Walkway, Water Lily House, Kew Palace, Alpine House, and the Hive. These are the pictures of the Palm House, Kew Garden, Water Lily House, the Great Pagoda, Temperate House, Alpine House, Treetop Walkway, and the Hive at Kew Botanic Garden. There are several important botanical gardens in India, of which I have included only few of them. The list is as follows. Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden, Kolkata, formerly known as Company Bagan or the Royal Botanic Garden, operated by the Botanical Survey of India and was founded in 1787 by Colonel Robert Kyde, an army officer of the East India Company. The garden has an area of 109 hectares, has living repository of around 1,377 plant species. The main attraction of the garden is the great banyan tree, large palm house containing rich collection of palms. Central National Herbarium of BSI is also situated in the garden. This is a picture of the great banyan tree in the garden, and these are giant water lilies in a pond within the garden. Government Botanical Garden, Ooty. This garden was established in 1847 by the Marquess of Tweedale. It is maintained by the Horticultural Department of the Government of Tamil Nadu and covers an area of 22 hectares. It has a terraced layout. The main attraction of the garden is the lush green lawn. Garden has both exotic and indigenous species of plants. It has a fossilized tree trunk which is considered to be 20 million years old. The garden is divided into 6 sections, namely Lower Garden, New Garden, Italian Garden, Conservatory, Fountain Terrace, and Nurseries. These are some of the pictures of the garden in different sections of the garden. These are the list of references that I've used to prepare this module. Thank you.